Horizon!
How are you guys? Kamusta naman kayo?
You know, nervous kasi dalawa lang kami. Out, kasi 7 kami, guys. 7 kami Horizon, but now we're just 2. And yeah, I hope you are interested in the conversation.
Yeah, pero I think it's gonna be fun kasi we're madaldal naman, so...
Super.
Yeah.
Kaya namin 2 hours.
Yeah, pwede.
So pwede tayong magbabad dito ng chikahan hanggang mga 5 a.m. So we invited you here again on the K-pop Playground, but instead of dancing, hindi kayo hihingalin for today's video, no? Mag-uusap-usap lang tayo, chichikahin lang kayo ng anchors, and syempre kayo din. So are you guys ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Para sa ating idol talk, you may sit down. Yes. Makakaupo ba ako? Medyo mataas siya.
Mataas.
Kaya nga. Okay. Kaya to. Okay. So, ayan. Everybody's focused. So guys, so we're now here at everyone's K-pop today, K-pop Playground. Let's start with who or what is your favorite K-pop group?
My favorite K-pop group as of now is ENHYPEN, Sunbaenim. Yeah, they're really cool, and I think us Horizon as a group also look up to them kasi they also came out from a survival show just like us. So medyo nakaka-relate kami sa kanila. Yeah.
So sino naman bias mo sa ENHYPEN?
Songhoon, Sunbaenim.
Songhoon.
Yeah, and Jay.
Shay, how about you?
Mine, I'm a multi-stan, so I have a lot of groups that I like, but one that comes to mind is NCT.
NCT!
NCT
Alright.
and Blackpink, yeah, a lot.
A lot. But sino yung pinaka-bias mo sa NCT?
Kilala na yun ng mga anchors. Si Marky.
Marty, okay. So, since you guys look up to this K-pop artist, no? So what made you dream to become an artist yourself? What pushed you to become a K-pop artist?
I kind of found out about the K-pop industry around like 2019, and that's because of BTS. And I watched Jungkook, and he is my role model talaga. He's the reason why I was really interested in, being in the K-pop industry, and kaya din pinursu ko talaga yung pagiging idol, and I'm so glad that I got to push through naman, and it was crazy then kasi I got to meet him in 2023 when he was promoting Seven.
So how was the feeling when you met your very ultimate bias?
It was unreal. Honestly, the whole K-pop music show experience was unreal for all of us. Pero to see the reason why I'm there is really crazy. So it was nakakakilig talaga siya para sa akin.
Yes, how about you?
For me, it almost came naturally because nung high school ako, marami akong friends na mahilig sa K-pop. And at that time, I wasn't very interested pa sa K-pop around mga 2016 until I saw Blackpink, they released their debut. And that's when I really got into the whole aspect of K-pop, because before then I was already interested in performing. Like I was dancing in schools and participating in dance clubs. But then I saw how K-pop performers they really can do it all. Like they can dance, they sing, and they also have so much stage presence that they can inspire. Because back then, of course, I know a lot of the fans here relate. Kasi most of us here, we haven't seen them personally unless magka-concert sila sa Philippines or whatnot. So for me back then, it was just watching them sa screens. Pero still, naramdaman ko yung inspiration from watching them perform. And yeah, that's how I got into the whole K-pop performing game.
Okay. So, from that, di ba dati tinitingnan nyo lang sila, na-i-inspire lang kayo sa kanila. Now you guys have debuted, are already idols. So, how was the experience of training? Baka pwede nyo kaming bigyan ng context.
It was really nice actually. We really enjoyed training in different versions, kumbaga. So the P-pop way and the K-pop way. It was nice that us Horizon got to experience that and we got to feel the difference as well. Kasi when we were training in Korea, medyo mas strict sila sa oras. So we really have to allot the time specifically. So if we're gonna do dancing for this and singing that time, dapat talaga we follow the time. Yun talaga yung pinaka difference niya, kumbaga. And I think it was also great then na we got to train together and we really got to, kumbaga, porsiki together kasi we got to share our hardships and that really built our team chemistry. So,
Yes. We all can see that, di ba? Parang grabe rin yung nilabas yung effort talaga together. How about you?
From the get-go, it was so nice to have the best of both worlds from both here in the Philippines na training and then sa Korea. But I guess yung pinaka-difference is a lot of our training in Korea, it was very structured because we had focus. We had focuses kasi may positions na kami when we got to Korea. So, of course, me and Marcus, we had vocal lessons. And the other members would have rap lessons. And we also had language. We had a lot of dance training, which was very rigorous. And that's something that we are very proud of because napagdaanan talaga namin until midnight or even past midnight. We were training and just dancing. Kahit galing kami sa event, kahit galing kami sa music show sa Korea, after that we'd still be practicing, we'd still be doing, our routine of perfecting yung mga performances namin.
yeah, I think it really shows na a lot happens behind the scenes. And a lot happens behind our anchors' eyes. And that's why we're very happy every time we get to perform. Kasi that's kind of our moment to really make the most of the practices that we got. And it really makes it worth it then.
Yeah, it's true because I think idols they cook. They cook in the practice room and then they serve the full dish on stage. But of course, kasi if we didn't practice, we would be not showing
wouldn't serve
anything. We
anything.
would not be serving anything.
Yes.
So there's lots of time that nabubuhos sa practice studio and that's something that we really like to do.
Yeah.
Even if it's hard. Yeah, it's very hard.
It's
Very hard. But
Because
we
it's
love
your
it.
dream.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, aside from all the training, all the hours spent in the training room, how was Korea? How was living in Korea? Meron na ba kayong napuntahan na places in Korea na gusto nyong balikan or you want anchors to visit aside from, the usual spots, the usual routines?
Yeah, madami kasi for me, first time ko mag-Korea nung lumipad tayo. A lot of the members, I think si Marcus lang ata yung naka-work ka sa Korea.
Yeah.
But not really.
That was my second time.
Yeah. So marami kasi ang saya din kasi we even see idols or like on their normal days, 'di ba? And ako favorite spot ko if pupunta kayong Korea, you should go to Seongsu-dong.
Seongsu-dong.
Yeah, Seongsu is like a strip, like a street na maraming shopping, maraming cafes, magaganda, and it's more local based. Hindi marami pa yung tourists, pero it's slowly building up there. Kasi for sure, alam niyo yung Hongdae, alam niyo yung Myeongdong, but Seongsu is one na parang very insider, yeah.
Very insider,
Yeah.
very Korean hip.
Yeah,
Hip
exactly.
location.
Yeah.
Oh, ayan guys, take note. Go to Seongsu-dong when you go to Korea. How about for Marcus? Meron ka bang very memorable spot in Korea or place?
Yeah, actually a lot kasi I like to gala when we have free time. And
Nakatawa sila kasi you said, I like to gala. Ayun naman guys, nabigyan niyo na si Marcus. Sige.
I like to walk around outside.
Ayan, nag-English
Or
tuloy.
hindi, mahilig ako gumala.
Okay.
Mahilig ako
Yan.
Yeah, training life aside, because the training life is hard. Pero aside from that, we also got to experience the Korean lifestyle, and it's really nice kasi syempre a lot of us watch K-dramas, di ba? And it's like living in a K-drama.
Oh, yung sabi ni Racer.
Yeah, and that's why
Ulit-ulit yung
it's
isa
very
namin member.
super exciting to just kahit normal lang yung ginagawa mo sa labas, it still feels special. Pero siguro, if you guys go to Korea, try nyo talaga yung 7-Eleven doon kasi sobrang iba-iba. Ibang-iba yung 7-Eleven.
Ibang-iba yung feeling.
Yes.
Yes.
Kasi you can cook there and then doon ako tumatambay minsan.
Okay, but isingit ko lang kasi you guys been living in Korea, right? So meron ba kayong natutunan na Korean phrase or Korean word na parang wow, ang ganda nito and gusto ko tong sabihin sa anchors? Meron ba?
Pag kailangan nyo ng... pag kailangan nyo ng resibo, 영수증 주세요.
Yongso?
영수증.
Yongsujung?
주세요.
Juseyo. Ayan guys, kailangan nyo manghingi daw ng resibo sa
Oo, kasi di ba
Korea.
magta-tax free kayo, di ba? So, dapat 영수증 주세요 para
Ayan.
maano yung tax free nyo.
Yun ang words of wisdom ni VG si Marcos.
Favorite kong sabihin talaga pag nagko-Korean is 솔직히 말하면.
Solchiki naramyon, which means,
To be honest.
to be honest, so very honest type ka.
So, lagi ko siyang ginagamit every time na may kausap ako. 솔직히 말하면.
Solchiki naramyon. Okay, so aside from that, how does it feel performing naman in music shows as an all-Filipino group? How was it like, perform in front of Korean staff and audiences?
Super laking pressure sa amin. Kasi, of course, excited kami na makalabas sa mga stages, sa M Countdown, Music Bank, all the shows that our idols have gone up to and perform. Super laking pressure sa amin kasi kami yung magiging first na all-Filipino group to do that and promote really so much. Kasi matagal din naman tayo nag-promote ng per comeback. Like, per comeback na yung mga up till 1 month. Yeah, we're like just rotating shows and everything. And ayun, super laking pressure but a lot of pride in doing that kasi parang napapakita namin to all the young Filipinos that they can have someone to look up to na looks like them and like relates to them in a different level.
Yes.
We had the honor of setting history, kumbaga, and it's really, really nice kasi that's kind of Horizon's motivation. We want to keep setting milestones for the Philippine industry, and we want to represent Philippines talaga. So the fact that we got to promote in every single music show, which is hard to promote in every single music show. Kasi we heard din na not even yung mga K-pop groups, it's hard for them to go to every single K-pop music shows. Pero it's so nice that we got to perform everywhere, and it really is such a dream come true for all of us. And when we were in Dreammaker, when we were in the survival show, we had goals. And at first, our goal was to win and debut. But then after debuting, we have another goal, and that's to represent the Philippines this time. After we're done setting history, we have another goal. We want to hold concerts. We want to meet our anchors. We want to do fan signs. Kumbaga, every goal we reach, there's always another goal ahead. And that's kind of our mindset because we won't stop chasing our dreams and we won't stop being around. So we just want to let all of you know that we're not going anywhere. We're always gonna be here trying to reach our goals.
Ayan, di ba may message na sila agad para sa inyo? But aside from your group or your individual goals, what changed in your relationship with the other members as you went on trainings and after you guys debuted? Because we all know, hindi naman talaga kayo magkakakilala before, right? When you entered the survival show and then now you guys are in a group. So, what changed?
For sure yung yung ability namin to cope together as a group pagdating sa mga struggles and hurdles. Kasi as a group, maraming obstacles talaga in the way. Hindi siya smooth ride. Kasi 7 kami, so of course, all of us have individual, kumbaga, motivation to do things or like a different perspective. So it's nice that a lot of us have parang different perspectives and things na para mas makapag-work kami and synergize much better. Kasi I think it's very important for a group to have chemistry, even not on stage but also like behind the scenes and like our relationship. And I guess ngayon mas close na talaga kami kasi we experience living outside of Korea, away from our families and friends, away from our known real world, which is here in the Philippines. So it's kind of like navigating through something in an unknown world together. So in that sense, doon kami nag-grow talaga.
Yeah, and like talking about chemistry, I think it's a big contribution to really up our chemistry was our trainings and just facing challenges together. Kasi we came from the survival show and it was still a competition individually. So everyone was kind of training on their own. Pero at some point, diba, we got formed and ever since we went through everything together. We cannot do things individually anymore because that wouldn't be a group. And now that we're a group, we face every challenges together, and that includes the hardships of learning Korean or adjusting to the culture there. You know, having hard times doing the trainings, papagod, ganyan, stress. The fact that we're doing that together really built our chemistry, and that's the reason why Horizon is Horizon until today.
Yes, so ang ganda naman nun kasi they found a family.
Yeah.
From strangers to family.
Yeah.
Hindi lang friends, right? More of a family. So palakpakan natin guys ang Horizon. Now we're going to the second part of this Idol Talk, which is the fan interaction.
Whoa.
So, your anchors a while ago, so simula kaninang morning, spreading message, and now we'll be giving this time for you, Marcus and Vinci, to pick. Siguro
Okay.
kahit two each kayo.
Okay.
Pick which one you would like to read or you would like to keep. Ayan. So, pwede kayong lumapit. Basahin nyo ng maigi. Okay guys, dasalan nyo na mapili nila yung mga messages nyo.
Sabihin mo pag stop.
And stop!
Okay.
Wow.
So, pwede mo siyang basahin.
This is from Yen. Yenne. Vinci and Marcus always keep fighting. Anchors love you.
Ayan.
I love you too.
Asan si Yene? Sino yung nagsulat? Andun siya.
Thank
Ayun,
you.
kumakaway siya.
Thank you, bro. Okay, you tell stop.
Stop.
What hobbies do you enjoy during your free time? From Ever. I know this person. She's always watching my lives.
Oh wow, you remember the names of the lines.
Okay. Hobbies do you enjoy during free time? I like to play the piano recently. I've been trying to just play around and syempre, video games. I love video games. I'm a gamer.
When it comes to K-pop, I like watching new releases, so I'm just updated on what's poppin'.
Sure, he's always, you're always
we're-
hitting me up with the
we're-
new releases.
Yeah, trying to update everyone.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ever.
Next.
Okay, I'll tell
Two
stop.
more.
Okay, go. Wait. Oh,
Okay,
okay.
I'll tell stop. And stop. Okay. From Shell.
Ayun, sumigaw siya. Nasaan si Chel?
Hello, Ropo. I think you should read it.
Oh, then. Hi Chien Sagram, do you have a new song coming up for Horizon? I actually written something kasabay ng Cole, and that's something
Ooh.
that is unreleased, but I don't even know if it's gonna see the light of day.
Yeah,
but
we're-
I have something backed up.
We couldn't even record that one.
Yeah,
But we're gonna wait.
thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Okay, yeah.
Because it's almost our
Ooh.
debut anniversary again. Second debut
Second
anniversary.
year.
Wow.
So yeah.
Teaser na. And of course, for our last post-it,
Tell stop.
Stop.
For Marcus, ano po masarap na ulam mo? I mean, your ang cute ng handwriting niya.
Maganda.
sino nagsulat?
Kuya Chris.
Kuya
Kuya
Chris!
Chris. Shout out to Kuya Chris. Ang
Oh,
ganda
parehas
ng
kami ng
handwriting.
handwriting pababa.
Pababa?
Freelance tayo.
Gumaganon.
Maganon.
Pababa.
My favorite food is cheese tonkatsu. Yeah.
Cheese tonkatsu. Yun ba ang recommendation mo for their lunch today?
Yeah. And when you go to Korea, go to this place called Just Katsu. Sobrang sarap ng cheese tonkatsu nila. What about you?
Okay. Oh,
What's your favorite?
Okay, we can try Korea. Favorite namin Horizon is Mom's Touch.
Mom's
Yeah.
touch.
It's chicken sandwich place.
Chicken
You like-
sandwich. Ayan guys, marami na kayo nakukuha tips sa kanila when you go to Korea. One last.
Yes.
One last for
One
the
last.
both of you.
Okay, for the both of us.
As a member of a global pop group, how do you handle stress?
Dito tayo sa harap.
This is a
for
very
Andy.
deep question. Wow. Like,
It's meant to be chosen.
yeah, and honestly, mental health is something that we prioritize as a group. Kasi marami na tayo beses, di ba, na we felt burnout. I mean, personally, for me. How about you?
Yeah, and I think it's
felt it.
normal din
Yeah,
naman.
it's normal kasi
Count happy.
kumbaga our lives are always, our careers as idols never really stop kasi it's always another day to practice for the next performance, for the next appearance, because there are always our anchors here who are always showing support and love for us. So it's just right that we also pour in the same effort as them or even more. And I think it's just like, you know, give and take. And yeah, we love doing what we do and we're going to be continuing doing it.
Yeah, and that applies to everyone, not just for idols and this industry, for everyone, kahit students, mga workers, you guys, everyone has their own stress. Everyone is
K-pop fans din, di ba? Mga
Yeah.
K-pop fans yan.
Yes.
Mahirap kaya mag-vote, gagawa ka ng
Oo,
vote.
ang hirap kaya mag-stream ng mga music
Hirap
videos.
kaya bumili ng
Diba?
sleeping
Diba?
tickets.
Diba? Pero yeah, like everyone will go through stress at some point, and at some point you will feel burnt out. And I want you guys to know that it's really normal. And for me, what I do is I just listen to music. It's kind of my way of healing. And whenever you feel stuck, whenever you feel sad, just take it slowly and just relax a little bit, and slowly but surely try to stand up. Kaya niyo yan, guys. We love you.
Yes.
We're here.
Thank you so much, Horizons, Vinci, and Marcos!
Thank you.
Palakpakan natin sila, guys. That concludes our segment, and we really enjoyed you guys talking to us here today. But before you guys go down, may we invite Miss Francesca Villar, Miss Jong Heju from KCC, and the president of PKCI, Miss J1, for a photo op. Thank you so much. Thank you so much again, Horizon, Vinci, and Marcus. Let's have a photo op here. Welcome on stage po. Ayan guys, kapag feeling nyo na-burnout kayo or nasa stress, listen to the songs of Horizon. And yes. One more time daw with the finger heart. Okay, 3, 2, 1, smile. Alright, thank you so much again, guys. Thank you so much. Sai, I'm Sai. I'm sorry, I forgot to introduce myself. I'm Sai. Nice to meet you. I'm Sai. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you guys. Sino gusto humawa? Picture with them. Ay, boy, sorry. I'm so sorry. One last picture daw with the fans. Request lang ng one last picture with your anchors. Nandito po ang ating photographers. Yes. Smile, guys! Kita kayo sa camera.
First time natin mag-picture, hindi tayo pawisan, no?
Fresh na fresh.
Thank you guys for giving us this chance. Okay.
You're very much welcome. Sana bumalik kayo.
Thank you for having us. 3, 2, 1.
Smile!
지금까지 호라이즌 뉴스입니다.
Thank you so much, guys. 감사합니다. Thank you. So that concludes the official